Did you know on the Cricut you can duplicate an item more than one at a time? Let me show you how. I'm going to go to shapes on the left side and just pick a random shape. We'll do hearts. Then, if I need to make more than one heart for a scrapbook page or a card, I'm going to right click, duplicate, and now that I have two, I can highlight by holding the left of my mouse till they're all highlighted and do that again. Now that I have four, I can start building up even more till now I have 8. Then I could do 8 and make 16. And then do 16 to make 32. That's how you can make multiples as quick as adding 2 plus 2. Thanks for watching.